Welcome to the For Life manufacturing facility, completed in December 2015. We built this manufacturing facility from the ground up to support the production of the millions of For Life products you sell each year. Our ongoing commitment to providing you with the very best products happens right here. We'll give you an inside look at the innovations, technology, and safeguards that we put into place to make sure that you always have plenty of quality products to share with your customers. A team of For Life employees is involved in creating the For Life products you consume and sell. Our facility was built with room for expansion, so we can continue to grow and support For Life sales worldwide. Our employees are trained to follow good manufacturing practices to help maintain product quality. Every month, thousands of pounds of raw ingredients are delivered to the receiving department from vendors around the world. Every ingredient is sampled and put through stringent tests to make sure they meet our high standards. These high standards help us stand behind our flagship certified For Life transfer factor products. Up to 75 ingredient samples are sent to our quality assurance lab for testing each day, and all ingredients are held until testing is complete. After being processed and tested, ingredients are stored until ready for use. Ingredients that must be kept cold are kept in cold storage. Batching operators use a master manufacturing record, or product recipe, to determine the measurements for each ingredient in a formula. All results are verified and tested before being blended. Our innovative new blending machines have the ability to sift and blend several ingredients and create a consistent, homogeneous blend. We blend between 15 and 40,000 kilograms of ingredients per month. After each blend, the machine is completely disassembled and each individual part is cleaned and sanitized before a new formula is blended. This step ensures the integrity of each product formula. After being blended and sifted, the product is ready for encapsulation. Our encapsulation machines produce between 50,000 and 100,000 capsules per hour, or up to 50 million capsules each month. During the process, operators constantly monitor the weight of each capsule and conduct visual quality checks on a time schedule. When the capsules are ready, it's time for packaging. We run 2 separate packaging lines at the same time, making it possible to fill 60 to 100 bottles per minute or over 1 million bottles per month. Packaging lines are continually monitored for product quality to ensure you're getting exactly the right amount of product in each bottle. Once the product has passed a final round of stringent testing, it's ready to be shipped to For Life distributors and customers around the world. We built this state-of-the-art manufacturing facility as part of our long-term commitment to you and your success. We will continue to look for innovative ways to improve product quality and manufacturing practices so you can continue delivering the very best to your customers. This latest endeavor is only the beginning.